A tank contains water of depth 0.4 meters and oil of depth 0.2 meters floating on top of it. The density of water is 1000 kg per meter cube, while that of oil is 800 kg per meter cube. Take G, which is gravity, to be 10 meters per second squared. Calculate the I, pressure at the bottom of the tank, II, force on the base, if the base area of the tank is 0.05 meters squared. Okay, let's solve it. So we have our solution. So let's make height of the water or depth of the water to be HW. So depth of water is 0.4 meters. And depth of oil, let's make it HO, is 0.2 meters. Density of water, so raw water, is 1000 kg per meter cube. So 1000 meter cube. Okay. And density of oil is 800 kg per meter cube. And gravity, which is G, was given to be 10 meters per second squared. Okay, so we have to calculate the pressure at the bottom of the tank. So but we know pressure to be density times gravity times height. By looking at this, we have two liquids, that is the water and also the oil. So the pressure at the bottom of the tank as P will be the pressure of the water plus the pressure of the oil. So pressure of water, that's PW, plus pressure of the oil, that's PU. Okay, so the pressure at the bottom of the tank, which is P, will be equal to density of the water, that's 1000, times the gravity, which is 10, times the depth of the water, which is 0.4, plus the density of the oil, which is 800, times the gravity, times the height or the depth of the oil, which is 0.2. Okay, so by using calculator, 1000 times 10 times 0.4, which will give us 4000. So 4000 plus, that's 800 times 10 times 0.2, which will give us 1600. So 1600. So therefore P, which is the pressure, will be equal to 4000 plus 1600, which will be 5600. So 5600 Pascal. Okay, so therefore pressure at the bottom of the tank is 5,600 Pascal. Okay, let's move on to II. Force on the base. Force on the base. If the base area of the tank is 0.05 meters, so we have the area, which is A, to be 0.05 meters squared. But we know pressure, which is P, to be force over area. Therefore, F, which is the force, is equal to pressure times area. So F will be equal to, the pressure is 5,600 times the area, which is 0.05. This will be equal to, so let's use a calculator, 5,600 times 0.05, which will be 280. So F, which is the force, will be equal to 280 Newton. Please don't forget the unit for the force, which is in Newton. So therefore, the force on the base is equal to 280. Let me try and write it here. 280 Newton. Thank you very much. Please like, leave a comment, share this video. Once again, subscribe and follow for more. Bye bye.